So this question, like what let's say, let's see, but let's take a pen. Okay. A force F is equal to minus K yi plus x z, where K is a positive constant acts on a particle moving in the xy plane. So we have xy plane, this is x and this is y. Particle is moving in the xy plane starting from the origin. And on this particle, this force is going to act. Because of this, particle is moving in the xy plane starting from the origin. Starting from the origin, the particle is taken along the positive x-axis, the point A. Initially, particle is moving along the x-axis like this. Okay, this is A point, A comma 0 as per the question. After this particle is moving parallel to y-axis, the point A comma I, like this. This point B. Clear? Then total work done by the force on this particle. Let us suppose this is going. So total work will be what? Work done from O to A plus A to B. Because initially this particle is moving from O to A, the help of force, then A to B. This force which is going to act, it is what? K y I cap minus K x C cap. We can write like this: F vector is equal to Fx plus Fy. So Fx will be what? Ay to minus I. Similarly, Fy is what? Kx plus y is 0. Y is Kx minus z. There. So from O to A, we know this force is variable. Since force is variable, force is variable, so we will use the formula. Its formula here by ask like which formula I should use. W is equal to, tell me, which formula I should use. W is equal to integral F dot dr. There, this formula. So from O to A, displacement is acting along the x-axis. Okay, and you can see Fx. Fx is what? Its magnitude is k into y. Direction is minus I. Clear? So along OA, along this OA, you ask me, then along OA, so moving from O to A, force and displacement are in opposite direction. Force Fx dot displacement in x direction. Okay. So it is what? Fx dx cos 180. Okay. There you can check Fx is what? ky multiply minus I. Minus I means direction is where? Negative I axis means negative x axis. So minus fx is what? Ky dx. We are integrating along the x axis. So along the x axis you can see x is increasing from 0 to a. But y, there is no change in y. So from O to a, y is 0 and x is going to vary from 0 to a. So here what I should write? Here what I should write? Since y is 0, I will write simply 0. Okay. But from O to A, then A to B. Work from A to B. Here what I should write? Integral fy dot dy. Here now tell me what is fy? If you look at carefully, what is fy? Tell me. Fy is what? Minus x k j. You can write k x its magnitude. Direction is along minus j. Clear? So from O to A, we're moving the particle like this. Displacement is like this. Okay. But force is acting like this. Minus j. Okay. There. So again it is negative. Negative of them. Kx dy. And we are putting the limit of y. Now you can check. Here y is going to vary from 0 to a. And x is not changing. X is equal to a. Okay. So along AB, if I write along AB, our x is constant, its value is a, but y is going to vary from 0 to a. Clear? So what I should write? Simply, what I should write will be WAB minus integral y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a x is what? A dy. There. So work from A to B will be what? How much? From A to B minus KA integration dy y there 0 to a. So answer will be minus k square. They are asking total work. This is AB along AB. Total work will be what? You are moving the particle first as per the question from O to A plus A to B. So total work will be along OA 0. Along AB is minus KA square. This is the answer. Total work. Clear? I hope this thing is clear to you. And if you still you have doubt, you can ask me. What is the answer? Minus KA square. Option C. Clear? Thank you so much.